Welcome to W Signature. Now in this video we'll be learning how to make Soursop tea. Soursop tea is packed with nutrients, vitamins and a whole lot more. So let's make Soursop tea. The first thing to do is to rinse the leaves. Now these leaves are very tough. Then you place this in a mortar and pound with a pestle. Now we're doing this because the leaves are very tough, so we have to bruise them a little so that when we cook the leaves we'll get most of the nutrients in it. Pour water in a pan or pot and place the leaves in the water. We're going to cook this till the water boils. Leave this to steep and boil at the same time. Next, you strain the tea through a sieve into a tea kettle. And your Soursop tea is ready. Now you can sweeten this with honey, you can sweeten with sugar, you can sweeten with any sweetener of your choice. This tea is packed with nutrients, vitamins, and is said to be 10 times more potent than chemotherapy. Now I'll leave a link to the video on the benefits of this tea for you to check out right on your screen or in the description below. Till the next video, bye bye.